So up here in the green is the original. I'll work on the one at the bottom. First thing we're going to do is remove redundancies and change from passive to active. So let's have a look at this first sentence. You'll remember passive means the ball is kicked by him instead of he kicks the ball. So you change what is around the is, or around the verb at any rate. So to change that would be most proposals received by banks and other financiers lack a comprehensive business plan. And then is probably the major shortcoming of, you'll see, because of the probably is redundant anyway. Just fix that. However, if you have a look now, it still says received by banks and other financiers. So it's still passive. Banks and other financiers receive proposals that lack a comprehensive business plan. But given that proposals is plural, we can't have a comprehensive business plan. It has to be comprehensive business plans. So banks, we take most out. Banks and other financiers. But if we've got financiers there, it includes banks. So we can leave that. That leaves us with financiers receive proposals that lack comprehensive business plans. One word for that, lack, without comprehensive business plans. Many business people, redundant, we've already got business there, we don't use the same word twice in a paragraph. Many business people will be the first to admit they haven't the slightest idea. So, will be the first to admit, redundant. Many business people haven't the slightest idea. One word for haven't the slightest idea of how to, can. And it's many people can't. Many people can't put one together. One word for put one together, compile. Can't compile one. We take out together. However, remember we said business plans, so it can't be one, it has to be them. So many people can't compile them. And remember we said change negative to positive. So we go few people can compile them. Now let's have a look at the next one. Many do not even plan their lives day by day. So these few people also or plan daily. Many do not even plan, yeah, that's done. Or plan daily, we remove this whole lot. It's often a matter of, oh dear, what are we going to do today? This we just paraphrase completely in our own words, and because it's often, it's about many people, many on crisis management. In reality, it is. That goes out. Forward planning and analysis really makes a difference. But now ask yourself logically, can we plan backwards? And the answer is no. So it's just planning and analysis really makes a difference. But now think about the logic again. What comes first? Analysis or planning? First you analyze, then you plan. Please remember, in all your structuring, you need to look at the chronology of the structure anyway. So analysis and planning, we take out really, makes a difference. One word for makes a difference, matter. analysis and planning matter. You should have contracts lined up. One word, well, you should have, and go away, contracts lined up. So one word for that would be obtain contracts, or be positioned as a supplier. So we've got an adverb, a noun there, which could be changed into a verb. What is the verb for supplier? Or supply to a major service provider. Does it have to be a service provider? No, it can be a provider of anything. So we take out a major. Does it have to be only one? No, it can be many. Or supply major providers. So we wanted it to be a third. Let's count. 31 words, and the original 94. So we are 1 or 2 words short of our target, but it is 1/3 shorter than the original.